My name is Gwyneth. I live in Malki. I am 11 years old. I study in Shillong Public School and I am in class 6. Um, First of all, I would like to give thanks to Father Michael who gave us this opportunity to show our talents in music. And I'd like to give thanks to Miss Lapadiang also for being my coach, and I have learned a lot from her. Um, and I would like to thanks my parents also for being by my side throughout this show. It was my dad who inspired me to sing. Ever since I love singing, I have only participated once in my school, an online competition. Um, since I've came here, I have learned a lot from Miss Lapdiang also. And at first, I was very nervous, but I started gaining my confidence more and more. And so I would like to thank each and everyone for liking my videos and sharing the videos. My goal is to become a successful singer, but whether I win or not, I still experienced and learned a lot from this show. So I request my viewers to please like and share my videos, and so I'd like to give thanks to each and every one of you guys. So thank you.